Now, the transition from petrol and diesel-powered vehicles to electric vehicles is changing the way that energy is used and distributed. InstaVolt is helping shape the electric vehicle charging infrastructure across the UK. And to discuss this further, from InstaVolt, I'm joined by Joe Kerr, the Group Marketing Director, and I've also got Simon Smith, CCO, and CEO Dalvin Lane here in the studio with me. Hello and welcome to all of you. So Dalvin, you've been in the sector, in the industry for some 30 years now. How has the energy landscape changed?
Oh, we've seen profound change in that time, from when we think about a grid that was dominated by oil and gas to one that now is really dominated by renewables. We've seen a wholesale shift in technologies, which has been great to see. But I think the biggest one is the collective responsibility change, whether it's public or private sector, whether it's how the grid is operated. That shift to renewables and that integration of renewables giving us a sustainable future has been incredible to see.
And how do you think our use of energy has changed regarding charging and also EVs?
Yeah, I think the way that we integrate EVs into daily life now, there are some 1.2 million cars on UK roads. And when I think about how I charge my car at home, for example, I've got solar and batteries. And that's how I think about how I play out and charge that car, right through to a commercial scale charging. At our new site at Winchester, for example, 44 ultra-rapid chargers, all powered by solar and batteries and green technologies.
And Simon, it's infrastructure, isn't it, that is key here. So what's your assessment of EV infrastructure across the UK?
So there are somewhere in the region of 68,000 charge points in the UK across both slower AC charging and rapid ultra charging, which is what we do at InstaVolt. That serves 1.2 million EV cars on the road, which is enough as we sit here now. However, the government is pushing for everyone to be into EV cars by 2030. And if we are going to do that, the infrastructure needs to roll out faster. And here at InstaVolt, that is what we're doing to grow our rapid charging network faster and further over the coming years.
What's the role that InstaVolt is going to play in all of this?
So we have four key areas that we really focus in on here at InstaVolt. The first is building out a reliable infrastructure at places like McDonald's and Costa, where we've partnered to have well-lit, safe locations. The second is convenient locations, so we position ourselves off motorways and arterial roads. We're also building super hubs like our one in Winchester. We have 44 rapid chargers, play parks, and again, amenities for people to stop and stretch their legs. And the third is urging the government to help incentivise drivers through VAT reduction. So reducing VAT from the 20% to the more domestic VAT at 5%, which will hopefully drive people to find it more convenient and affordable to move to EV cars. And then finally, what really matters to us is innovation. So we were the first to use contactless payment in this industry, and we will continue to look at new ways as the industry evolves to make sure that we have a reliable and user-friendly experience for the EV driver of both today and tomorrow.
So Joe, as Marketing Director, what is your message to EV drivers?
The infrastructure is here. There's no need to worry. It's constantly growing and improving every day. And the worries such as range anxiety or recharge anxiety are perceptions of yesterday. Look, driving is both a necessity and a pleasure, but driving an EV is really enjoyable, plus the positive impact on the environment. To date, InstaVolt has powered 350 million emission-free miles. So come and be part of that journey.
That sounds fantastic. Joe, Simon, Dalvin, thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.